Hello, FPL managers. Welcome to FPL Squadron. Me and my brother will be talking about the tips and tricks for the last game week. As we know, it's pretty tight because there are some tough leagues and private cups also is taking place. So we would like to start off by saying we would like to focus mainly on Leicester, Liverpool, West Ham, and Chelsea players because they have a need for a victory. So basically, we would like to start off from the keepers. Uh, what do you think from the keepers? Who do we think we need to keep? I would like to take Leno as my first choice. What do you think?
Okay, I think Dubravka would be a very good option as Newcastle's doing a pretty good job right now.
Okay.
More further, I think Emiliano Martinez will also be a good keeper.
Problem
They need to win
Martinez is
Aston
that
Villa.
Martinez is facing Chelsea, right? So Chelsea need a win badly. So
Yeah, but then Chelsea is playing the UCL final, and so they won't be playing their main team. So there's a chance Watkins might score.
okay. Okay, let's see that. Let's keep
Apart from
Leno
that,
and him for now.
yep.
And from the defenders, my first choice would be Robertson
Okay.
and Phillips, both from
I think we
Liverpool.
can go for Nathan Phillips is also there. Robertson is a good choice because Liverpool need a win to be on the top four.
Yeah.
Apart from that, we could go for a Leeds defender or maybe Cresswell from West Ham. What do you think?
Yeah, let's go for Cresswell. Let's go for Cresswell.
Cresswell, Robertson,
What about James from Chelsea?
Reece James, eh?
Huh?
Yeah, Reece James is a good option. There's no doubt. And he will be playing also because I don't think Ashley will play. I don't think Rudiger will play.
Yeah, let's go for James then. He's affordable also, just 5.1.
Yeah,
Okay,
correct.
we'll choose a fifth defender after the starting 11. We'll just see. Now let's go to the midfielding side. Let's take a Liverpool. Liverpool is a must. Salah, Mane. Who do you think?
Salah is a must because he needs to win the Golden Boot. Kane and Salah are equal on the same number of goals. I feel taking Salah would be a better option for this coming last game week.
Okay. He's also 12.9. That's the only problem. It's okay. Let's take Salah,
He's
and then I would go for
yeah,
Willock right now because he's at very good form. And
Willock,
then
right?
and then Pereira also. He is for
Yeah,
the past 3-4 game weeks he's scoring and he is in good form.
yeah, that's totally
And
there.
what
Willock, Pereira, Salah,
what do you
then
think about Leeds
maybe
midfielder?
huh?
Leeds midfielder. Who do you want to take? Harrison, Rafinha. Who do you want?
Rafinha. Even Harrison is in a very good form right now. For the past 2-3 game weeks, he's been giving above 8 points.
If you want to take,
Rafinha gave only one assist.
yeah, exactly.
It's a bit difficult to decide. But then, what do you think? Rafinha or Harrison?
My favorite is Rafinha because he takes set pieces also. But last match when I saw of Leeds, it
Yeah,
was Harrison who was taking the corners.
yeah, correct.
That's the problem. Who do you want to go
Marcelo
with?
Bielsa is depending on Harrison a lot right now. So it's a tough choice.
Let's go with Harrison then.
Okay, let's go with Harrison then.
Yeah, let's keep the fifth midfielder blank. What about forwards? Firmino. Liverpool will play.
Firmino,
Liverpool will play Firmino, no doubt.
yeah.
He's been scoring
Okay,
also.
have you taken any defenders from Leeds yet?
No, no one, no one.
No, then let's keep instead of taking a defender from Leeds, let's just keep one midfielder from Leeds and a striker from Leeds. That's Harrison or Rafinha
But the
and Bamford.
advantage of Dallas is that he can score and give a clean sheet or even an assist.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
that is of course there. So what do you say? You want to because I have a opinion that we should not keep more than 3 players. I mean, we should not keep 3 players from one team. Let's just stick to 2 players from one team. So
Uh,
what we can do is either go for Harrison or Rafinha and Dallas, or Harrison or Rafinha and Bamford.
Let's go for let's skip Bamford then for this game week,
Okay.
and let's take
Okay,
Dallas
let's
here.
keep Dallas and Harrison.
Yeah, let's keep
Is that what you're
Dallas.
saying?
Yeah,
Okay, that's a good idea.
and let's take Antonio. He's facing Southampton right now. Next game week. The defense is pretty bad
Yep, yep,
also at
yep.
the
That's a good
moment. Let's
idea.
take Antonio.
Yeah. We
So
thought
right now we can
we
choose
had something around.
two more players, and we have 18.1 left in bank.
Correct. Two more players, that is one defender and a striker, right?
Yeah. Let's choose a cheap forward.
Yep.
Um,
Who do you think of?
what do you want? Who's having an easy
Which
fixture?
team is Burnley playing?
Burnley is facing Sheffield United. Want to take Chris Woods?
No, actually, Sheffield's got a good defense right now. If you've noticed the past 2-3 game weeks, the defense
Yeah.
side is very strong. So
Let's choose
What do
Chris
you-
Wood for now. He's just 6.5 also. Or you want
Okay.
Iheanacho?
Yeah, Iheanacho is a good option. Just that he's playing Spurs. Both Leicester and Spurs need a win.
Yeah. Let's.
What about Joe Linton?
No,
Because
Joelinton is
Joe
injured.
Linton
It's showing
also-
he is injured right now. There's
Oh,
75% chance of playing. He's having a knock.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then maybe Watkins or Wood.
Watkins the
Because
problem.
These are the ones.
The Watkins facing Chelsea, na. So their defense is pretty tight.
Oh, yeah. Correct.
Let's
What
take
about Iheanacho?
let's take Iheanacho then. Yeah, let's take him.
Okay.
And
And
the-
6.2.
And right now we have
And
11.9 left.
6.6.
11.9 left in bank.
Okay. So 6 Iheanacho. Let's go with Iheanacho.
Yeah, we have 11.9 left, and we have one midfielder to choose. What do you want to take in the midfielders? Fernandes is 11.4. I doubt if Fernandes will play because they got the finals coming up. And
And how much do we have in back?
we have 11.9. We can afford anyone from the midfielder list. Mane is 11.7. Sterling is 11.
Okay. But
Sterling,
we've
I
already
don't
taken Salah, right?
Yeah. Wanna
Okay.
go
We already
for-
have Salah, Robertson, and Fabinho. We can't take another one.
Yeah, that's also there. 3 Liverpool players are there.
So yeah. So let's go for an easy fixture guy. And
Oh, wait. Oh, no. We have 4 Liverpool players. Robertson, Phillips, Salah, and Firmino.
no. Remove Phillips. Let's not
Yeah,
keep Phillips.
I'll remove Phillips.
Okay, one more thing.
Hmm?
Who do you think you should go for, Robertson or Arnold at Trent Alexander-Arnold?
Robertson.
What do you think?
From
Robertson,
my
huh?
personal choice, Robertson, yeah.
Okay,
What do you want to take instead of Phillips?
let's go with the. Let's go with an Arsenal defender, maybe.
Yeah.
Arsenal.
You want to take
or-
Tierney?
Or maybe we can go with Dallas then.
Dallas we
take the
have.
risk of going with three Leeds players.
Okay, I have 10 now. I took Tierney right now from Arsenal. No,
Okay.
I have 10. 10.9 left in bank.
Okay, and just one player left, right?
Yeah.
So
Want to go for Rashford?
Rashford. Do you think he'll play? Because the finals coming up. United's playing Villarreal in the Europa final, right?
Yeah. Or you go for Sonny. Want to go for Son?
Sonny boy. We can actually. I don't know because they're playing Leicester. Leicester need to win to be on the top four. Spurs cannot be on the top four.
See,
Kane's
we
also
have a good
contender.
bench also
What
right
about
now.
Kane in the striker.
Kane. Who do you want to remove? Iheanacho?
Yeah. Yeah, remove Iheanacho and keep Kane.
Right now we have 5.2 in the midfielders.
Okay. We can
5.2.
go for both Harrison and Rafinha instead of
No,
Dallas.
Rafinha is. No, let's keep Dallas. If they can get a clean sheet also, and Dallas can, be offensive.
Okay, then what about Bamford?
Wait, our strikers are right now Firmino, Antonio, Kane. Midfielders Salah, Willock,
Okay.
Pereira, Harrison, and we need one more midfielder who is of the range of 5.2.
Range of 5.2. 1 second.
Yeah. What about Lookman? He's facing Newcastle also. He is pretty creative.
Good idea, but
Oh, you want to take Ferran
he
Torres?
plays.
What position does Ferran Torres play?
Ferran Torres will play, definitely will play.
You want to take Torres then? Oh, he's 7. He's pretty expensive.
He's 7 years. He's gone high after the last few games. He's
Let's
got a
go
hat
for
trick also,
Lookman
right?
only then. Let's go for Lookman.
What about Grob? You want to go for Grob?
Oh, Brighton player, no?
Yeah, his name is Gross actually. Pascal Gross or Grob. I don't know what it is. I think it's
He's
Gross.
5.8. We have 5.2.
Yeah, 5.2. We can go for Bukayo
I
Saka
think
from
Lookman
Arsenal.
is the only good option. Lookman is just 4.7. Let's go for
Yeah,
Lookman.
or we can go for Horsberg.
No, 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 no. And Lookman
Okay.
is more offensive. Lookman will play from the left wing, left or right. And now we have
Okay, we can
point 0.5 left in the bank. And let's keep it.
we've got Smithrow, right? Smithrow is also playing, but he's not assisting.
It's okay. Let's enter the squad. Robertson, Tierney, Cresswell, James, Dallas, Salah, Willock, Pereira, Harrison,
Okay.
Lookman, Firmino, Antonio, Kane. Keepers Leno, De
Yep,
Broca.
correct.
Captain Salah or Kane? I think Salah, no?
Salah, yeah. I think Salah. Salah would be a good option because even if
Uh,
they get a penalty, Salah would be one taking it.
choose a club. Now, what about the starting 11? I'm taking James out on the bench. I'll take Dallas
Okay.
in for. Oh, it's pretty tough now.
Keep Willock, Salah, Rafinha, Antonio.
No, we don't have Rafinha. We took Harrison,
Uh,
no?
okay, Harrison, uh, Robertson. Who are the other defenders we have?
1 minute. It's Tierney, Robertson, Cresswell. And on the bench is James and
Uh,
Dallas.
Tierney, Cresswell. Keep Dallas in because we're putting in the money. We're trying to play him.
You want to keep Antonio? Only.
Yeah, yeah, keep Antonio because he's
And
got
who do you want to.
I think 4 or 5 shots on target. Is that he couldn't convert? He did convert one.
Who do you want to sub out? Tierney?
You've already taken out Reece James, right?
Yeah.
So let's keep Tierney, but I don't know whether Tierney will play or not. See, even if Tierney doesn't play, Reece James will play any comment for here.
See,
It's not
right
a
now
problem.
it's Robertson, Dallas, Cresswell, Salah, captain, Willock, Pereira, Harrison, Kane, Firmino,
Yeah.
Antonio. Salah, captain.
Okay.
Vice captain, I kept Firmino. But it's 100%
That's good.
Salah
That's
will
good.
play, so there's no point of that.
Correct.
Want to
So
play triple captain?
let's keep. You want to play with triple
let's
captain? Yeah,
let's
you can do
let's
that.
play
You're
triple
not
captain.
losing
Yeah,
anything, right?
exactly. Yeah. Let's see.
We
Let's
can
see how it
triple
goes.
captain Salah then maybe.
Yeah. Because remember last time he came in the second half against Crystal Palace, and he scored two
Yep,
goals. I
correct.
think one assist also.
Yep, yep.
Yeah.
That's true. can just keep him. And I know that Salah will play because Jota's injured.
Yeah.
It's an important game for Liverpool. Mane, Salah, and Firmino have to play.
Okay, let's go for this then. Leno keeper,
Okay.
Robertson, Dallas, Cresswell, Salah captain, Willock, Pereira, Harrison, Kane, Firmino, Antonio. What do you think about Willock and Pereira? You want to make both play?
Uh,
They both are in good form
Actually,
also.
Pereira and Willock are in good form, but the
Yeah.
thing is that Leeds is facing West Brom.
Huh? Pereira is from
Yeah, it's
West
not a
Brom.
bad idea to keep Pereira because I feel the West Brom in their final game might do something and Pereira might score. He's a good free kick taker also.
Hmm. And he also takes the
So
penalties for West Brom. So let's see. Let's hope.
yeah, so
Okay, let's go for the
we'll
score
go with
then.
that.
Let's see.
Yep,
Okay.
let's see.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep,
And let's see what
yep.
comes
So
out from
that's
this.
all from our side.
Yeah. Stay tuned and wish you all the best.